A very good morning to all my students. I would like to take place. Before starting my AV assignment, I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I would like to start our topic, that is counting from 201 to 250. Let's start. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. Okay? Clear to everyone? Now, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220. Okay? Clear to everyone? Understood? Now, I am going to start our next line, that is 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230. Okay? Clear to everyone? 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. Everyone clear? Okay, beta, while writing this counting, you have to touch the bottom line. Okay? Like here, I have touched the bottom line. Every number should touch with the bottom line. Okay? Now, the next line is 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Okay? Clear to everyone? Okay, beta? समझ लग गया है? Understood? Okay? Beta, while writing, we have to touch the bottom line. Okay? Okay, beta, now you have to do this counting on your fair notebooks. Clear? with neat and clean handwriting. The writing should be neat and clean. Okay? Clear? Now, in your maths book, Math Mania, page number 4, we will do page number 4, that is length, long and short. Okay, we have to observe the things which is longer and which is shorter. Okay, we have to write L for the long and S for the shorter things. Okay, let's start. Here in this picture we have to observe which pencil is long and which is short. Like here, this pencil is shorter and this pencil is longer. Okay, we have to observe this. Which one is shorter and which one is longer. Okay, so we have to write L for the longer pencil and S for the shorter pencil. Okay, for shorter pencil we have to write S, and for the longer pencil we have to write L. Okay, now in this picture, which brush is shorter and which is longer? Beta, see, in this picture this brush is longer, so we will write L here, and this brush is shorter, so we will write S for the shorter brush. Okay, now in this picture this pen is longer than this pen, so we will write here L for the longer and S for the shorter pen. Okay, now in this picture this is shorter carrot, so we will write S here, and this is longer, so we will write L. Clear? Clear, everyone? And in this picture this brush is longer and this brush is shorter, so we will write S for the shorter brush and L for the longer. Okay, beta? Clear to everyone? Same here. This is shorter one, so we will write S for the shorter and L for the longer one. Clear? Everyone clear? So, okay, beta. Bye.